Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're logged into 9anime and using a supported browser. Open the player and check the subtitle button. If it's grayed out, make sure JavaScript is enabled and any ad blocker or privacy extension is temporarily off. Once done, clear cache and cookies for the site so stale data won't block subtitle tracks. These steps remove common client-side blocks and let the player load available subtitle files. Now you force the player to fetch subtitle files. Open your browser console, then reload the page while watching the network tab for VTT or SRT responses. This confirms the server is sending captions. If the files appear but not in the UI, use the player menu to manually select language or click the subtitle toggle. If timing is off, use the player's subtitle delay control to resync. This ensures the captions are present and correctly mapped to video timecodes. To finish, switch browsers or test on a different device to determine if the issue is local. If you use a VPN, temporarily disable it or change region because subtitles can be region restricted. Make sure the player loads without proxy interference. If captions are still missing, capture a screenshot and the video ID, then report the problem to 9anime support or forums with those details. If all else fails, recheck extensions and network filters. That single change often restores subtitles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.